So, I'm in the car with CJ. What up?
What's up, guys?
We are on the way to the Airbnb where I'm staying at, or hotel, Airbnb, etc. We just finished the tour at, I didn't even put him in the video. Yes, sir. Here in Austin, Texas. Guess where I'm at? Electric Surf Co. Brought to you by the creators of Lemonade Float Co. Good vibes all around. Shout out to CJ, Luke and fam, all the homies. So, about to step out of the light into even brighter circumstances. Let's tour Electric Surf Co. As you can see, ours are pretty expansive. You walk inside, immediately you're just gonna see an array for all the one-wheelers out there. I was blown away by this. I was like, what the heck? You have like a charging station? This is just for like guests who may just stop by? One wheel, man. It is revolutionary. It really is, bro. One wheel. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I'm in this commercial. That's so dope. And maybe I'm not. Rail guards. So accurate. Yeah, man. Yeah, electric skateboards, electric mopeds. Got electric bikes. Back to the one wheel stuff. You got pint fenders, GT fenders, and bumpers. Look at this, man. The selection here, Electric Float Co. Oh, they got one wheel socks. Oh, I'm not wearing mine today. Let me stop. I got them in my bag. I swear I do. I swear I do. I gotta talk to CJ about getting my videos up here. They might have like an exclusive agreement with Float Life. But anyways, look at the artwork. Okay. It's an XR lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. Different helmets. Yes, sir. Okay. AAA. Uh-huh. Lots of options. Look at this kitty backpack. Meow. What's up? Did you want to be in the video? Okay. All right, cool. This guy, I met him today. His name is Ricky. What's up, bro? How you doing? What's up? If you could tell the world 2 cool things about Electric Surf Co., what would you tell them?
In Austin, it's the #1 spot for PEVs, bikes, like boards, especially on the water too. We got inflatable paddle boards and surfboards, like the sickest ones. And #2 would be, we're part of a big ass community around here, so like it's all love, especially people that are new. Everybody likes to bring them in with open arms, and it's just a real good time.
Word. Thank you. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Man. So what are these things? These are inflatable?
Yeah, so those are just the regular inflatable paddle boards.
Oh,
not motorized technically.
Okay.
They do have a pump.
You have motorized ones? Motorized inflatable ones.
Yeah, that one to the far right is motorized. It has a motor in the middle that also inflates the board itself.
What the heck? Well, anyways, I'm about to say goodbye. Supposed to be meeting CJ here in like, I don't know. If he gets here before I finish filming, I'll include him in the video, but thanks for tuning in. Once again, you know who it is. Jay Starks, aka the One Wheel Wing Baby, your friendly neighborhood one-wheeler, checking in from Austin, Texas. Here at Electric Surf Co. looking for CJ. Don't know where he is. Y'all take it easy. I gotta get a video of him, and I'm gonna go by the shop again for day 2 at Electric Surf Co. And but anyways, we're out here riding. This is gonna go in my video montage. Let you get a little view of the scenery real quick.
Yeah, we're about to be on Caesar, so you go to see some stuff.
Day 2, Electric Surf Co. This time, I got CJ with me. What's up, CJ?
What up, y'all?
This is Mr. Lemonade Float Co.
Are y'all ready for the promo day today? We are, man. We're ready to get grinding and jumping and bonking. And
What you riding?
this is a jackrabbit.
A jackrabbit, okay.
No battery in it.
Okay. So y'all got all types of little toys here.
Dude, we got anything PEV, man. We've got electric skateboards, of course the one wheels. We've got scooters, BMX electric bikes. We've got Jeremy. Apparel, anything you can think of for the one wheel we have. We've got sup boards, electric sup boards, e-foil boards, light boards, anything you can think of. XRs for rent, I mean anything you can think of that goes gnar or gets hype, we've got it for sale or for rent.
And what's the name of the company?
The company is Electric Surf Co.
Okay. Add them, follow them. I'm gonna post this on my YouTube, oh boy. Balance Guru, what it do? Jeremy, CJ, Lemonade Flow Code, what it do? Oh, y'all both out here styling on us? Oh, don't do me like that.